If you'd like to do by yourself later, this is the requirements for you. You must set up this, especially the Avalanche Fuji part. And then, because I'm using USDC, also I must get the USDC. So this is information from Circle, the faucet, how to edit your USDC over there. And this is my smart contract that I'm using now. So if you go here, you can see my smart contract. Okay? Now I am on Remix. So this is that same smart contract that you saw before. I just did 1 minute ago. I used to do like before the workshop to be sure that is working. Let's see. Yes, it's success. So this is the end. Let's see if this is on my wallet now. If I go to Sepolia, no, not base Sepolia, only Sepolia. Sepolia. And then I go to tokens. You can see here that I have 1 USDC. I'd like to have more. I did this a bit minutes ago before we start. I'm doing another now. So starting from 0, I'm coming back to Avalanche Fuji. This is my Cersei blockchain. I came here, Remix. It's an interface like an environment to deploy smart contracts. This is my contract that I shared with you already. I'm connecting on MetaMask, my wallet that is Avalanche Fuji, and I will deploy this now. I first will deploy it, then I can explain a bit more about the code. You don't need to be a developer to understand what is this. Don't worry. So this is the contract that I just deployed. So let's understand a bit more of my contract. Here we are. I'm using the client of CCIP, the router. So this is to do the communication with the client. This is the client itself is to have some structures, some data structures that I must use it. And my token is this. I'm using a normal ERC20 token. This is only the interface that I got from OpenZeppelin. But also, because I'm doing the transfer, I'm getting the safe ERC interface to do transfer between tokens, from tokens. Over there, I'm just doing the setup to start on Avalanche Fuji, like the router. I'm paying, this is important, I'm paying the fees using the link token only in the Cersei blockchain. I can pay using the native token. It means that I can pay using the Avalanche Fuji or using link token. I decided to use the link token. And think that I will have some fees in the destination blockchain. We have a transaction in the destination blockchain, but I'm paying everything on the Cersei blockchain, and I don't worry about that. This is the USDC, and this is the selector. This is the chain that I'm going. Let's go here, only to you know what's happened. So this is the supported networks. This is the chain selector. So I'm going from Sepolia. This is information from Sepolia. And I'm going from Avalanche Fuji. So if I came here, this is the lanes from Fuji. So I'm going from Fuji to Sepolia. Is this the information that I should have it? Okay? Is that? So over there, the most important function for you is this, like the transfer. You can see that I must define who you receive in the destination blockchain and the amount. And then I have the token amount defined here. And here is the message struct where I'm doing the who you receive this. Okay? This is and the fee here, you can see that I'm paying using the leak token. Interesting. I'm using the router of CCIP to calculate the fee in the destination blockchain. So this get fee, you tell me how much are you spending in the destination blockchain. I'm checking the balances and then I can do my transfer. So let's do that. I'm ready to do that. First of all, I'm paying fees using link. So I'd like to have some link inside my smart contract. I'm getting the address of my contract and send some link to my contract. So tokens, link, send the address of my contract. Let's send 3 links. I think this will be enough. And okay. Second point, the USDC will be on my account, my wallet. So I must authorize the smart contract to get the USDC on my wallet. How can I do that? I can go to any place that I can interact with the USDC contract. For example, I have here the Snow Trace, the block explorer from Avalanche Fuji, and this is the USDC coin. So if I came here and let's refresh because I did another yes before. So I'm approving the spender, it's my smart contract. Let's get it. I'm approving my smart contract to use 1 USDC. But the USDC has 6 decimal places. It means that I must add 6 zeros here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, now I have 6 zeros. Let's do this. What I'm doing now, I'm approving the smart contract that I just deployed with you to use my USDC. 1 USDC only, okay? Not more than this. Okay. And remember that I sent link to my contract. So my contract is ready to pay the fees and my contract is authorized to use my USDC. I think everything is done. So I can see here the Aulos is still 0, so probably is not finished yet. It's approved, probably now it will be good. Yes, now it's approved. If I check it out, the balance of my contract, I should have link, not USDC, but I have 3 links over there. It's done. So let's do the most important function here, transfer. Who you receive? I'd like to send to the same wallet that I have it. Oh no, I'd like to do something new. I'm creating a new wallet. AC3, this is a new wallet. This is the address of the new wallet. Let's come back to the order first. Okay. So the receiver will be a new wallet that I created just now. The amount is 1 with the 6 zeros, the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6 zeros. Then I can transact. And this is, I'm sending a transaction to send USDC from one blockchain to another blockchain. Now, because I just created that wallet, before that, so this is the contract, this is the last transaction. I'm copying the transaction ID, and the CCIP has an explorer. Like the blockchain explorer, but this is an explorer between blockchains. So if I came here and tried to search one transaction that was in one blockchain, I can see that this is the source, this will be the destination. We have the source finalized, and this is related to the when you can be sure that your transaction is immutable. When you can be sure that the network will not have some kind of rework and then your transaction can disappear or cannot be confirmed anymore. So this is what you used to say that this is the finality of the blockchain. Now we are waiting the transaction be in a point that cannot be reverted anymore. And in this point is immutable. So after that, we have the committed. So we have a network that is committing this transaction to the destination blockchain. And then we have more. We have the blessed from the security network. Let's have an overview of this as well. So we was here, not in the message. Oh, why am I doing this? But I'm going a bit forward. This is like the elements. Let's go here. What can I use? What examples can I do using CCIP? I'm doing a token transfer now. Imagine that after my token transfer, I can use this like a collateral. Like I can lock the some amount in one chain and borrow assets in the other chain. This could be useful for you. Also, I can use this with NFTs, like I said before, mint an NFT from one chain to another chain, have the same NFT in two different chains, and it's activity here, but it's not in the other. I can use this with account abstraction to have wallets that doesn't matter which chain are you in that moment. Or I can use this on games. Imagine that you can have one asset in one blockchain, one game, and you'd like to use that in another blockchain game in another chain. You can. And imagine that related to the data storage or computation, you can do all the data storage or the computation in a cheaper network, and then only save the final result in the blockchain that we started. Maybe you started on Ethereum that it's a bit expensive from the others, and you can do that. And this. The workflow is that. So we are talking about tokens. So we did that part. I am the user. I create the sender. I send only tokens, not data. The router is taking care of the middle of this. Because it's a token, we have a token pool, and we can have different models. The model depends of the token, not from Chainlink. The token decides the model. So the model can be locked, like you lock the token in the first blockchain and then you mint in the second blockchain, or you can simply burn in the first blockchain and then can mint in the second blockchain. So this is the token pool. Now we have 3 different networks to take care of the security. And this is one of the differences related to CCIP, because we have these networks. So we have the risk management network that take care of looking for all the problems that can have. We have the committing decentralized network that did the commit the proposal to the second blockchain, to the destination blockchain. But only the executing decentralized network, only you really approve the transaction over there after the security network, the risk management network, approve that. So we have 3 different networks take care of the security. And then in the destination blockchain, probably you are minting a new token, or you can unlock if the token already exists over there. And the router you send wherever you'd like to go. In my case, it's going directly to my wallet. Let's see how is this now. I'm curious. So we pass the committed. Probably you pass the blessed as well. Let's refresh. No, is it still committed? Okay. So we can wait a bit more the blessed. Depends of the chain. Depends of what's happening on that time as well. And then I am in the CCIP Explorer. You saw that. It's here that I'm seeing what's happening in the blockchain. And I already talked with you about the payments. So what are the fees? The fees are the gas cost in both blockchains, plus some premium that you are paying for the CCIP part. And you can pay the fees using Link or the native gas of that blockchain. And you can see that using the router to calculate the fees for you. Okay, this is the token handling mechanism that I told you before. It depends of the token, not from CCIP. CCIP is prepared to the both models. So one model is you lock the token in one side and unlock or burn or mint in the other side. Okay, or you burn in the first side and do the same in the other side, like burning one, minting the other. And now let's see, before go to the detailed, if I must go, I don't know, probably no. Yes, success. Yes. What should I have now? I should have 1 USDC in that wallet that I created. But my new wallet didn't have the USDC yet. Let's go. This is the wallet that I sent. But I send to this wallet that I have nothing over there. Also, I send this to Sepolia. So let's go to the Sepolia network. And still, I cannot see my token. So if I go to the USDC page, I can see over there that this is the Ethereum Sepolia. I already opened it, but it's this. So this is the address of the USDC on Sepolia. Let's add the token on my wallet. Import tokens. Okay, and yes, I have 11. Probably I sent this before. It's supposed to have nothing, but I had 10 before. But is this? Now I have 11 USDC. And here I can prove you that I sent exactly 6 minutes ago 1 USDC from this wallet to this wallet, from Avalanche Fuji to Ethereum Sepolia. And this is the basic of this, like this is how the risk management network take care of everything, like I said before, again. And if you'd like to know more about this because the security part is the most important part, you have all of these links for you. Feel free to see this in a peaceful way. And if you'd like to do some advanced transfers as well, we have a Gitbook, we have a YouTube masterclass that this is for beginners. You have a more advanced over there. And also, I'm not doing this now, but like I told you before, I can mint NFTs from one chain to another chain. This is another blockchain that I have it, another workshop. This is one that I did. I have NFTs based in the Bitcoin price, and the background is related to the chain. So the blue is Sepolia, the red was Fuji, the purple was Mumbai Polygon. Now it's Amoy. And also, you saw that I wait like 5 minutes to do that. If you'd like to do this, being a developer, you will not wait in 5 minutes. And we have the local simulator to do this local when you are deploying this. And if you are a really, really beginner and you'd like to start from zero, especially to the hackathon, I recommend you to go to the bootcamp. The bootcamp is starting, create your first smart contract. We did it in April. It was 10 sessions of 2 hours each. Starting, create your wallet, creating your first smart contract, and using all the Chainlink services. And this. Also, we are here because we have a hackathon here. Woohoo! But also we have a hackathon online. So if you'd like to participate in both, do different projects, but you can participate in both hackathons as well. Remember that you have everything in the presentation. And this is, I will add the link of the presentation again if someone would like to have it. And do I have time to answer some questions or no? How is my time?
You do have time for questions.
Yes. Thank you.
Do we have questions? Come on, don't be shy. I think the presentation was okay. Yes, please introduce yourself as well.
Hi, so nice to meet you. So I'm Evie. I work for Tokeny and ERC 3643. And it's a very basic question, but I was wondering, why would I want to send the token from one chain to the other? What's actually the point for me as a user?
Okay, you are a user, and that amazing DeFi application that you love it is not in the chain that your token is. This is a basic. But you can do exactly to use the token in another blockchain to do whatever you have over there. We used to do that when we have applications in the destination blockchain that you don't have in the first blockchain. I will not tell you that you can do some arbitrage because you must wait 5 minutes. The arbitrage doesn't make sense, but to other kinds you can do it. Yeah. Something more?
Thank you. One more? Okay. I think.
Thank you. If you'd like to talk with me, I am around. And thank you and good luck in the hackathon.